Hello, welcome to Central Carolina Community College's Motorcycle Mechanics program. Our program offers a diploma or certificate. The diploma is 3 semesters, the certificate is 2 semesters. Our program is located in Lee County. Our program is designed to help students pursue a career in the motorcycle power sports industry. Whether you have the desire to work at a motorcycle dealership or you aspire to open your own motorcycle repair shop business, our program can help prepare you for an exciting career in the motorcycle power sports industry. Thank you for visiting Central Carolina Community College's Motorcycle Mechanics program. If you're interested in this program, feel free to contact us for more information. Thank you for your time, have a great day, and remember, passion is energy.